Some group of women for Niger Delta don't call on the federal government to begin find ways to reduce the effect of the flood where they don't predict say go affect the states of the region. The women where they under the agencies of the drawers of the Niger Delta region yarn this one for one talk meeting with Tori people to chook mat on the state of Niger Delta and can also beg the government to start to make plans on how they want to help look for another place where they say for the community people where this flood matter go affect. Leader of the group, Anne Bridge, contrary accolades give the Tinubu-led federal government where them take give appointment to the minister of the Niger Delta from the region, but can also beg the federal government to give the ministry the money where them go need to take meet the demands of the region. She constantly talks said the women for the area they happy with the Samuel Boku-led management board of the Niger Delta Development Commission.
It is a fact that most families in the Niger Delta are yet to recover from the devastating effects of the 2022 flood, which ravaged the country. And even as we speak, another flood is just by the corner. There are fears, especially with the opening of the Ladgo Dam by the Cameroonian government. What is the needful? They should be able to immediately liaise with the state governments, with the senators, with the representatives, with the House of Rep members, all the people that are representing us in government, immediately liaise with bodies that are set up to curb the flood, to make sure that people who will be affected by this flood are evacuated or helped to relocate to upper land until the flood recedes. We expressed our acceptance of the appointment of Dr. Ogboku and his management team by Mr. President. We thank Mr. President for listening to the yearnings of the Niger Delta people by appointing a minister for the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs. We use this medium to express our expectation that the ministry be properly and adequately funded to meet the developmental needs of the Niger Delta region. Also, we ask for an upward review of the budget of the Niger Delta Development Commission, the NDDC, so that the agency and institutions of government can complement each other in developing the infrastructure, socio-economic, and human capital development of the region.
Presido Ijo Women Connect, Rosemary John Odune Kontok say,
preparation towards the forthcoming flood is one for me, it's early preparation, because the signs are there, the warnings are there. So it's no longer an issue that we are not aware like previous ones. So all what we need now is the funding. Funding, because already we have the structures, we have reports, a lot of reports that we are put together by experts during the 2018 flooding that we had. So it's for us to begin to get high grounds where we begin to think of erecting, build up areas for moving family early enough to help them even secure their properties, because every year our people lose their properties. Every year, women from the coastline especially, Bayelsa is worst hit. When it comes to flooding, Bayelsa is worst hit. So we begin to prepare them early enough to move them to higher grounds.
Make una not forget say, as we see them, na so we dey talk 'em. We know they take blame. From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesole, TMC TV News.